Hello and welcome. I know that many of you love to experiment with the recipes for Fujifilm cameras, so today we are going to look at one that works really well in late spring and summer. I will be sharing the name of the recipe and the camera settings that you need later in the video, so keep watching. As a little experiment, I have also included 4 images that were taken on a phone. Take a look and let me know in the comments how you think these photos compare with the ones taken on the Fuji camera. Let me know in the comments if you like this recipe and intend to shoot some photos with it. If you enjoyed this video, it would be really appreciated if you could click on the like button. Also, why not consider subscribing to the channel to see more content like this? Don't forget to let me know your thoughts on this recipe in the comments below. I would love to know if you think it's a good fit for spring and summer photos. Until next time, thanks for watching. We hope to see you again soon.